Hi everyone, here's another quick video. I'm just making a couple of t-shirts for a client. They have given me some specific directions and they have given me some images that I have to put on t-shirts for them. So what I've done off camera is I've worked out all the designs, all the kinks out of it, all the improvements I can do on it, or remove the blemishes, etc. Now I'm getting printouts. One of the designs that I was given. Now all I'm going to do is get a printout of the design, and from we get to work with it. So let me put it on here, adjusting the size on the design to get it right to what with the canvas, available canvases. So this one goes on the page, this one will go on the page, and of course we need to flip it, flipped, and now I'm going to put it through the printing process. So the printout is here, looks good enough. Now I'm going to go and work on the t-shirt. All right, let's get the second image in, and that one is quite a challenge for the printer. Yep, it's all black with some blue neonic writing on it. A fairly good image out of it, and I think the client is going to be a bit of a white border on top. See if there's an ink bleed off on it. Right, let's flip the image and print the image and hope for the printing is starting. Let's see. Very nice. I think it's good. I think it's done fairly nicely. Let's do this second t-shirt. Let's go. Not bad. The neons have survived and the black looks black. So that is a wrap on these shirts. Now I'm going to do a quick look at the t-shirts that I did just now. They look fairly good in my estimation, and I think the customer will be pleased with them. Right, they are done. Now I'm off to the courier to drop them off, and see you in the next video. Bye.